In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request someone's calendar on Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a colleague's calendar on the web version of Outlook and how to request access if you don't already have it. Start by opening Outlook on the web. You can go directly to outlook.com or go to office.com and launch Outlook from there after signing in. Once your mailbox loads, switch to the calendar view by clicking the calendar icon. It's usually on the left side of the screen. If you don't see it, look for the small calendar symbol on the side rail to move out of Mail and into Calendar. On the left pane of the calendar view, find and select Add Calendar. If your window is narrow, this pane may be collapsed, so expand it first so you can see the Add Calendar option. When the Add Calendar panel opens, choose Subscribe from Directory. This tells Outlook you want to connect to a calendar that already exists in your organization's directory, rather than creating a new one. In the directory search box, start typing the person's name. Outlook will search your organization's address book and show matching people. Pick the correct person from the results list. If you see more than one match, look for details like department or location to ensure you select the right user. After selecting the person, click Add. If you already have permission to view their calendar, it will appear immediately in your calendar list, typically under Other Calendars, with its own color so you can distinguish it from yours. You can toggle it on or off to compare schedules and plan meetings more easily. If you don't have permission, Outlook will prompt you to request shared calendar access. When you see that prompt, click Request Access. Outlook will send a sharing request to that person so they can grant the appropriate level of visibility. Once they approve, their calendar will automatically show up in your list. If it doesn't appear right away, after they grant access, give it a moment or refresh the page, and it should sync in. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you're signed in with the account that belongs to the same organization as the person whose calendar you need, since many directories limit access to internal users. Also, if you can't find Add Calendar, try widening your browser window or checking the left panel for the calendar controls. And that's it. Open Outlook on the web, go to Calendar, Add Calendar, subscribe from Directory.